Hi Stampers! I'm really excited about showing some of our new product from our new catalog. And this stamp set called the Calligraphy Essentials. I used to do calligraphy all the time, and sometimes if you haven't practiced, they call it you lose your hand or you lose the flow of actual letters. But this is amazing because it's the outline of the calligraphy, and you can actually take our brush markers and color in the actual letters. And I went ahead and stamped with the Memento Black. I used the Wink of Stella, and it's probably a little hard to see on that one. Maybe you can see the sparkle on this one. But I went ahead and did all these in the in colors. And so I've got them in the in colors with one of our new background stamps. They're all basically the same. And then I went and created some other little fun cards to go with. The Celebrate here, and just used some of our new papers. This is the grapefruit color, but I love these brights. They're amazing. So I actually made these cards first thinking, oh, just using this Wink of Stella right in with the stamp pad and go ahead and grab some of the color out and then go ahead and outline that in. And that's how I did all those. But I discovered after the fact that I did those cards, this wonderful kit that we actually carry in the new catalog. It's a project kit, and it's Calligraphy Essentials Project Kit. And it comes with 4 of the different cards and envelopes for all of them, and this really handy strokes on how you use the marker with the stroke of the pen and how to color them in. So you want to make sure that you use a newer marker to make sure your tips are not broke down. But the Lovely Lipstick is the one, and you'll use the brush side of your marker. And with this, it comes the basic strokes. It has a whole slew of the different letters that you use for that. So you can actually practice. Gives you the direction on how to do your marker. So you'll come down like this, and then and then it goes back up, and then you don't use the small tip. You go ahead and still use the brush tip. You just want to use very lightly as you go up. Now if you notice there's still a little bit, I kind of turn my paper or whatever I've stamped backwards and then get that to go this way. So it gives you the strokes on how to use your markers. So they're great for practicing. And in the kit, they even give you extra of these shapes that you're going to be using for the cards. So if you mess up, it's okay. They've got extra of these. The colors are all printed on there so they coordinate with our colors. And they're amazing. I love the envelopes. I love how you're going to put the person's name or address in there. So let me show you the card. They tell you in the instructions to go ahead and stamp this, the hello itself, in the pool party. And then you go ahead and take your pool party marker and color that in. So I've done that with these both Celebrate and the hello. And then with this one, the Lovely Lipstick marker that I'm going to use, the Smile and the Thank You, it tells you to stamp the actual images in Blushing Bride, because then what you're going to do is you're going to cover that up and you won't actually see the Blushing Bride at all. So, and then in that kit also comes these self-adhesive sequins you can use with the cards. I love these cards because they're quick and easy. If you're a demonstrator, you can do them for a class and have your customer go ahead and order the kit. The kit is only $18. So for $18 for the kit, you get 16 cards and envelopes all together. Plus you get the practice pages to learn how to actually do them. And the stamp set itself is $19. It's an amazing stamp set, and I love the I Think You're Great also. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up so other people can enjoy it too. Have a happy stamping day. See you next time.